HTD G-Series 2-inch flush valve and H-Series 3-inch flush valve are designed with rotating with 360-degree, 3 levels adjustment, light press, fast flushing and volume stability, having great upgrade in technology. Rotating with 360 degrees. It's easy to adjust water working level and check up push button position with rotating with 360-degree design. 3 levels of adjustment. There is small adjustment range with normal flush valve, while except regular full adjustment buckle, HTD-G and H-Series flush valve can adjust the height of a float with full flushing and its volume, which almost closes half flushing volume, like 3/4.5L, even 3/3.5L. There is wider adjustment range suitable for more different cisterns, especially for low cistern toilet. Flush valve press pressure test. There is technical breakthrough in HTD flush valve, offering good customer experience. Its light pressure button is only with 12.5 N, while traditional flush valve is with more than 18 N. Flush rate test. 4.1 liter per second. Rapid flushing brings powerful flow. It just takes 0.78 seconds to flush 3-liter water. Stable flushing volume. Flush valve is with flushing volume stability, and its error is less than 0.2 L. It avoids bad flushing performance or water wasting due to reducing or over flushing volume. 1 million times scientific testing. It successfully passes scientific test with 1 million times, which proves its super long lifespan. H-Series optimal height is 17 cm, 21 cm, and 26 cm. G-Series is 22 cm and 26 cm. They are with comprehensive optimization design and suitable for different size of cisterns. Guangdong HTD Technology Company Limited.